Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have Discord and Mudae ready, now act. Start by opening the channel where Mudae accepts commands. Next, prepare the image. Either upload it to Discord, copy a direct image URL, or attach a file. Use a stable hosting link if you plan repeated use, because ephemeral attachments expire. Once done, type the Mudae image change command prefix. Make sure your role has permission to send embeds and manage messages, so the bot can replace the image without errors. You now execute the main action. Type the bot's image change command precisely, including the character or card name so Mudae maps the image correctly. If the command supports attachments, upload the file and reference it, otherwise paste a direct URL that ends in PNG or JPG for reliable fetching. Wait for the bot's confirmation message. If it returns an error, read the message. Often it complains about permissions, file size, or an unrecognized name. Make adjustments accordingly, then rerun. Finish by confirming the change visually. Open the card or post where Mudae displays the image and refresh Discord to clear cache. If the image didn't update, troubleshoot. Ensure the host allows hot linking, file size is under bot limits, and the command syntax matched Mudae's current version. Also confirm the bot still has required permissions. If problems persist, rehost the image directly in Discord or use an alternate hosting service. Then rerun the exact command. This resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.